currently have time and like we're just struggling against Richards Bay. The main reason for that is because damn, we have two left centre backs. Now centre backs are two adlala on left, and that is a bit risky because if like Richards Bay second after come up with ukuthi vele baspress vele yabo Irish Chai bra. Irish Chai, it is better to have like a right centre back I2 than to have two left centre backs, which means ukuthi kwisateli one dlala like kwisateli one abantu abayi3 dlala abantu abaka left, and the ones that into ayibo ba press like for example if they press like Ushinga, it will be hard for my players to actually receive vele yabo ibhola maka pass, and it will be hard for them to actually get out of the situation. So yeah, I thought this was the game where we were supposed to actually punish, but it seems like it is one of those games where we're supposed to find that's at least one goal, because yeah man, what day is to be a Kosi fan.